Are you wondering why your appliances are hot to touch? Well, take a look. Firstly, let's take a look at how electricity transforms into heat energy, which is why your appliances may be hot to touch at home. Let's take a look at the hairdryer, for example. A hairdryer is an electrical device. They have two parts, a motor for the fan and a heating source. The two parts work together to transform electrical energy into heat. When you plug the hairdryer in and switch it on, a current flows through the hairdryer. The flow firstly supplies electricity to the heat element. This current that is generated then makes the motor spin and pushes air through the dryer. The air gets pushed through and heats up before touching the hair. The hairdryer gets hot due to the energy of the particles moving very fast. This generates heat and makes an object hot. This type of heat energy being produced is useful heat. Now that I've answered your question, you may be interested in learning about how electricity is transformed into other forms of energy. What's this mean, you ask? Well, there are different types of energies that can be created through electricity, such as light, sound, and heat, which we've already covered. Stay tuned to learn more about light and sound energy that is transformed through electricity. These days, most people use light bulbs to generate light. Light is something we use all the time. It is a form of energy. It is made up of a wire that glows when a current flows through it. Bulbs are made up of positive and negative terminals. When electricity is supplied to the terminals, the flow of electrons heat up and bounce quickly, allowing the bulb to glow. Light energy also produces heat energy. This type of energy, although, is not useful. We call this wasteful energy. Lastly, sound energy. You may be thinking, how on earth can electricity produce sound? Well, take a look. Let's take a look at the electric bells. Electric bells work due to the action of the electromagnets. When the current flows through this circuit, the electromagnets make a magnetic field. The electromagnets attract the springing metal arm. This arm hits the gong, which makes a sound. This motion continues if the switch in the circuit is closed. Sound energy can also produce heat. The heat that is produced is also wasteful heat. Electrical charges run through circuits to produce different types of energy, such as heat, light, and sound, which we've covered in today's video. All types of energies produce heat, and therefore may be hot to touch. Some energies produce useful heat, and others wasteful. Thank you for watching this news report today. We hope you now understand why some appliances are hot to touch, and the other types of electrical charges there are that transform into energy.